In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a task in Outlook. If you're trying to keep work organized without juggling separate apps, this is a simple, reliable way to capture what you need to do right from Outlook. By the end, you'll have a clear, repeatable process for adding tasks in just a few clicks. Start by opening Outlook from your desktop. Give it a moment to load fully, especially if it's been a while since your last session. Whether you're on Windows or Mac, the overall experience is similar, and the task feature lives in the same general area of the app. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in with the account you use for Outlook. Make sure you're in the correct profile, particularly if you switch between work and personal accounts. If your organization uses additional verification, complete that step so your task lists can sync properly. Once Outlook is open, look to the left sidebar. Find and select To Do. Depending on your version, it might appear as a checkmark icon or simply say To Do in the navigation. If your sidebar is collapsed, expand it so you can see the labels. If you still don't see it right away, scroll through the app bar. It's there as part of the built-in productivity tools. Inside the To Do view, click Tasks. This is the default personal list where most people keep individual to-dos. You may see other smart lists like planned or important, but tasks is a great place to start because it's simple and always available. If you prefer to keep everything in one place, using this list consistently makes it easier to search and review later. Now create your task. Click, add a task, type the description, and press Enter. Keep the title clear and action-oriented so it's obvious what needs to happen next. For example, Draft Q2 report outline is more helpful later than something vague like Report. Pressing Enter immediately saves it, and you'll see the task show up in your list. That's all it takes to create a task in Outlook. From here, you can keep adding tasks the same way whenever something comes to mind. A quick tip: use consistent wording and include keywords you might search for later. Another helpful habit is to jot a short detail in the description, like a deadline or a reference note, right in the task title if that helps you stay on track. You've now learned the fastest path to adding tasks in Outlook. Open the app, sign in if needed, go to Do, select Tasks, and add your task with Enter. Keep this flow in mind, and you'll capture to-dos before they slip through the cracks.